Michigan Avenue, Mexico.
It's the prison.
Oh, this is a prison?
No, like the local prison. So like
Oh,
you get
okay.
arrested for being drunk. They stick you in prison or jail. That's a jail, sorry.
Oh, okay.
What's the difference between prison and jail?
Jail is because it's the sheriff's office right there.
What's the difference between the two?
Well, jail you stay there for a long time. Prison, oh sorry, jail is just short term, and prison is long term.
At kami lang dalawa dito ni Cookie. Kasi hindi ko siya maiwan. Actually, hindi na mainit. Ayos na yung yung weather. Lumalamig na. Nagko-cool off na siya. Cool down. Basta, hindi na siya ganun kainit. Katulad talaga sa amin, sa Canada. Pagkatungtong ng gabi, ang lamig. Tapos pagka umaga, ang lamig-lamig. Tuwing umaga may fog kasi ang lamig. Pagtungtong na yan ng mga tasang tanghalian, doon na siya talaga iinit ng bonggang-bongga. Tapos pag yung tapos na yung araw, doon mo na lalamig na naman. Kaya kada umaga talaga may fog. At yan na si Cookie, inantok na siya. Maganda talaga bumisita sa mga small town. Actually, gusto ko tong Michigan. Okay, let's go. Come on, Cookie. Here's Cookie. Cookie, let's go, Cookie. Cookie. Let's go. Good girl. Magandang araw at mapagpalang araw sa ating lahat. So, kagigising lang namin at lakad-lakad. So, itutok ko na lang tong camera dito sa campground kasi napakaganda ng view. Ito, empty siya na campground. Itong campground na to, talagang napakalaking forest niya. Yung likuran namin, forest talaga siya. Ito, empty pa uli siya. Pero ang dami nang nagdatingan kahapon. Kasi itong mga to, wala sila kahapon. Tsaka dun sa kabilang part. Super foggy pala, tignan nyo. Oops! Hindi ko alam kung nakaka-capture siya ng phone, pero foggy. Foggy talaga siya. So, yung campsite namin ay pwede mong lagyan ng mga, ang ganda naman ito. Talagang forest na forest talaga to pag nakita nyo in person. So, eto, empty siya na campground. Yun ay empty na campground. At ayun yung April. Ayan yung April. At ito naman si Cookie. Parang meron siyang gustong gawin. Ano kaya yon? Ay, may chipmunk sa puno. Hindi alam ni Cookie. May chipmunk. Nasa puno siya. Ah, yun pala gustong gawin ni Cookie. Finally, nakahanap na ng spot si Cookie. So, nagpunta kami dyan sa TSC store kasi allowed si Cookie doon sa store. Hindi ko na na-video, pero ang ganda sa store. Sa amin, sa lugar na, ang area namin sa Canada, wala na. Last year, tinanggal na lahat ng TSC store. Ang TSC store pala, paninda siya para sa mga farm animals, maraming mga vet stuff. Pero actually, ang dami kong nakita dyan na hindi available sa Canada. Pag nagpupunta kami ng States, ang dami kong nakikita. Mga hindi siya approved sa Canada, pero available siya dito sa US. Actually, paglabas mo ng pintuan, makikita mo. May mga tindang ammunition sa Canada. Nung bata si Mushi, until you were high school, ammunition is just like available in Walmart, right?
What was?
Ammunitions. Or just
Canadian
found,
Tire?
yeah. Oh, may mga part pala sa Canadian Tire. Meron pang ibang Canadian Tire na nagtitinda ng yeah.
The neighbor.
Oh, see? Those people have horse.
Oh wow. What do you mommy, I have a joke.
Yeah.
What do you call a cold horse?
Okay.
A neighbor.
Did you see that?
Yeah, Cookie likes it.
Oh, so they park here. I see.
Mm-hmm.
And they park their horses there. So your camper comes with a...
What's the sun over here?
Yeah. Because you're camping with your horse.
Oh, this is where you camp in the regular campground.
But some campers have a...
What's that stuff say?
It's too bright for me.
Is it?
Do you want me to read? I'm gonna get
No.
out
I'm just kind of curious. That's all.
there.
So most of this is just parking for people's horses, where I think maybe like the camp spots are right there.
Yeah, but why is that the trucks there?
Because these are people who brought their horses with them.
So let's
Yeah,
go.
but yeah.
I think their campground is inside. I mean, it's their camper because the guy's inside. Why is the guy inside? Like, that's his camper.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. There's no campground. This is it. This is it, Mushi. Yeah. Yeah, that's it.
Oh, no, these are the actual campsites right here. This is just for people who just want to come for the day.
Oh, okay.
But these are the campsites. See how they have like you back it up and then you can put.
Ito na yung pinaka-campsite ng mga equestrian. So, yan na mismo yung pinaka-RV nila. Sa unahan, yung RV nila sa dulo para naman sa mga kabayo. Tapos yung makikita nyong may shed, doon nilalagay yung mga kabayo. At may mga area rin sila para mag-campfire.
I see another horse.
Are we gonna see more horse?
Nah, that's it. That's what
Oh, this guy have a horse. See the horse? There's 2 horses. Oh. There's no more horse.
All the trails, I guess. Okay.
Aww.
That's sad.
Where did those people go with the horse?
Right there.
Oh.
The trailer.